So, we got it. We have our Model Y. We're going to try to put on a screen protector made by Abstract Ocean. Hopefully we don't screw this all up. So yeah, let's go over to our display. Go to screen clean mode. We picked up one of their nice little cleaning cloths, handy tools. Okay. So, now I hope I don't screw this up. Let's see.
I'm gonna re-clean it.
I think I'm gonna re-clean it. Just because I want to be super sure that everything's clean. Because I already see a couple specks that I've resettled.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just going to run this over it one more time. I think we got all that. So, next we want to put the applicator on. That side's up.
It's like lifting.
Looks like it's almost just not big enough. There it goes. Okay. Now the scary part. Please peel off this film. So that's the side we want to peel off.
Now the moment of truth.
No! Almost. Nice.
Trent really just wants to play with it.
No, I'm trying to make sure we get all of them out. Stupid little bubble. So. I know it says it can take a little bit of time for the last of the bubbles to get out.
Yeah.
But I have to say, 3, 2, 1. I think that came out really nice. So, yeah, that's the Abstract Ocean. This is the matte screen protector. Definitely suggested. Frankly enough, I'm never good about putting screen protectors on. I always get air bubbles. And I have to say, this was probably the easiest installation I have ever had.
In 5 minutes or less.
In 5 minutes or less. So, definitely recommend it. If you want more fun Tesla content and a brand new 2021 Tesla, follow the channel, subscribe. See you guys later. Bye now.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked this video, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, even subscribe. That'd be super awesome. If you guys want to check out more videos on this channel, go ahead and click right here. I want to give a big shout out. Thank you so much to all our Patreon supporters. You guys are super awesome and we could not be doing this without you. If you guys want to check out our Patreon, that link is in our description. Until next time, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!